Good afternoon. Welcome to Automod. We are looking at a 2018 Honda Civic Type R VTEC Turbo. We are about to apply a window tint on this, a 20% on the front and limo on the back half. I just couldn't stop appreciating this car. It's really nice. And just for you folks to see, that's the interior. It's a very nice car. I think I might have to buy one. So there you go. We're just about to apply window tint on this. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the finished product of the tinting. So we did a limo on the back 3 windows on this, and this is the front door, which is 20%. There you go, folks. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and it's a VTEC Turbo. Thank you for watching.